welcome back to my channel. Today my mom took me to shopping to Justice and I got some stuff. So let's see. Let's take the stuff out. So first we're not gonna take the stuff out, like really take the stuff out. And my mom bought this, but I kind of wanted to open it and I opened it. So it came with some earrings and like a little ring, and it's like a panda with a bow. I like it, and it was really cute. So my mom bought it. So let's put it in here. I'm just gonna put it right there for right now. And then she got me this mermaid. Let me stand up to show y'all. It's really, really big. And I really wanted it, so my mom bought it. And yeah. Now we're moving on to clothes. And the first clothes we have are these pants that I really, really wanted. And they look glittery. So yeah. Like that. Now we've got this panda. I forgot what it is. It's not a panda, but I forgot what it is. I think it's a koala. Yeah, it's a koala. And then we have another pony that is a Christmas pony. And then we have these cute pants that have gems, and they have a little rip right here. That's how they are. So yeah. For the other one, we have a shirt that is it's a eyes and ears with a horn and some hair that looks like an ice cream. So I forgot to show you that, so I forgot. Look at that. Now we got these cute pants that I really like. And they're so cute that I loved it. Moving on to other stuff. So we have these BFFs, and they could change, and they could open up like that. And you could put like a picture. I guess you could put a picture. And there's a pink one and a blue one that I really like. And then next, we have this little booklet because I'm a Justice member. And let's open it up for y'all to see how it looks inside. So it has little like plastic that's Justice. And here we just have a glittery page. And then we have this. Then we have little stickers. And then we have this date. And then we have, I don't know what this really is. So yeah, and then we have some cool pages. And then at the back, it just has another one. So yeah, that's what I really like about it. Now, I like this one because it's like so cute. It's a little pet animal. So let's open it up. Open it up more, and here it looks. Now let's just get this out, and this is how the pony looks. This is how the dog looks. I messed up. Then yeah, let's see what clothes we got in. We got some clothes. which one's a unicorn, a dog unicorn, a dog unicorn, and a little horn. And yeah, then this is for bath. We have a brush, a nail polish, a nail polish. I forgot what those are for your head, and a little, what they call? Shower. It looks like a shower dress. And yeah. So let's put it on her. First, we're gonna put on this thing. That's hard. I feel like I'm gonna need scissors, So while I'm working on that, I'm gonna open it. Okay. That's how it looks. Let's open it up. This little dress. It's really cute. So let's put it on. I guess you could put it on there. I don't know. Just try to. Can't put it on really good, so. It's hard because it's so fluffy, and yeah. I'm almost done, guys, with it. It's just really hard to close. Well, I'm not done with her yet because it's hard, but we're just going to put it like this for right now. Like that. Oh, it's so cute. It's going to get cuter with the little horn. There you go. It's really, really, really cute. And then it fell, but I don't want this to be there. So yeah. Show y'all the final look. So cute, 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 cute. So yeah. Let's take it off. Her. Let's take it off because we need to put the other clothes on. So yeah. So her name is Missy, I guess, and I like how she looks. She's so cute. She's like so soft. She already has her collar. So yeah. It's so cute that I just want to snuggle with it. I got a pink doggy, but it's bigger than this. And I actually like this because it's really soft. And yeah. So yeah. It has little nail polish. It's so cute. And then it has a little brush to comb her hair. And it's cute. And then we got this. I have one too. It's polka dot. It's pink with polka dots. It's pink and white polka dots. And yeah. Now let's go to the dress. Ew. And then her tail's a little sticking out. Let's put this on. She's so cute. And then there's a little brush to brush her hair. I love this big little nail polish. And yeah. And we are gonna let's move some stuff because I want to show you this my little what do you call it? Unicorn blanket that my mom bought me last time. And then it came with this little unicorns dream under rainbows. So cute. And yeah, and that's the little princess one she bought me. And yeah, bye guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Mwah. Bye.